Hey YouTube, Sam here. Well, I got a little tip and trick here with the impact gun. I did a video on this every time. Hate that light situation. Okay, I love the impact gun. Hate that I hit the lights all the time. Anyhow, I did a video back when I was using my Makita ones, and I did a video where I put in a small bit like that so that you can get into tight spaces, because the bit just sticks out a little ways every time. Anyway, taking my finger off of that, but the bit sticks out a little ways, but you can get into a lot tighter spaces and still use the screw gun. Well, I was using this one, or getting ready to use this one, and I had these bits here, the DeWalt ones, and I don't know if you can tell, but where the yellow thing is, it's kind of inset. There's a groove there, and when I went to put that in there, it got stuck in there and just turned like it wouldn't turn the screw. It was just spinning in there, and it was a real pain to get out. So what I'm saying is, don't use these in this gun. I don't know if I was using these at the time I did my other one or not, but anyhow, go watch that video if you want to know what I'm talking about. It's how to screw screws into tight spaces with an impact gun or something. I think it was in my shelving one, actually, maybe. Anyhow, so I found this in one of the packets I had. Don't know what kind it is, but it's doesn't have that groove there. The shank goes all the way to the tip, and that actually works really well in here. You can push it way down in there. It screws in there, so it doesn't turn. And then actually, when you go, let's let the lights go out. When you go to pop it out, it actually pops it out for you real nice, which my Makita never did. So that works really well in there. Anyhow, thought I'd give you a little bit of a tip for this particular gun anyway, because I realized that my Makita, the ones, I don't know if I was using these like I said, but I haven't even tried it. My Makita probably won't. But anyhow, if you're using this particular gun, you definitely need to have the larger shanks. Alright, this is Sam, Jack of all, Master of none. You all have a good one.